In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a project plan in Smartsheet. By the end, you'll know exactly how to start a new project, pick the right template, and navigate the key sheets and dashboards that help you stay organized. Begin by opening Smartsheet and signing in. On the home screen, look for the option to start a new project, program, or process. This is your entry point for building out a structured plan without having to set everything up manually. From here, you can browse templates tailored to different roles and functions. If you're working in company management, choose a template that matches your responsibilities. Templates are a great way to jumpstart your setup because they come with recommended columns, views, and best practice layouts. If you prefer full control, you can start from scratch instead. That's helpful when your process is unique, though it does take longer to configure. In this walkthrough, we'll use a template to save time. Select the Simple Project Plan template. This is a clean, straightforward framework that works for most teams. If you want to share the reference page with a teammate or save it for later, you can copy the template link. That's useful for alignment and approvals before you spin up the actual sheet. When you're ready, choose Create From Template. Smartsheet will generate your project plan based on the template you selected, so you can get moving right away. You'll see a built-in checklist that acts like a quick start guide. Use it to confirm you've covered the basics, things like reviewing sample tasks, checking column types, and getting familiar with the layout. It's there to make sure nothing critical gets overlooked as you get oriented. In the main sheet, notice the core columns: status, task, image, and description. Status helps you track progress at a glance. The task column is where you name the work to be done. The image field can store visuals like screenshots or mock-ups, which is handy for design or field teams. The description gives context and instructions, so assignees know exactly what's expected without hunting for details. Open the project dashboard to see a high-level snapshot of your plan. Dashboards surface metrics and visuals that update as your sheet changes, making it easy to share progress with stakeholders. Finally, open the task tracker. This is your day-to-day workspace for adding tasks, updating statuses, and keeping everything current. As you maintain the tracker, your dashboard and project plan reflect those updates automatically. That's it, your project plan in Smartsheet is up and running.